Hello world, CryptoLuxer here, and welcome to my step-by-step tutorial on how to start mining cryptocurrency, in this case Ethereum, on a Windows PC. I will explain to you in under 10 minutes how to set up a miner on your PC and start mining Ethereum right now. How does actually mining work? Simply said, you are using your graphics card power to process transactions on the Ethereum network for a specific amount of reward in Ethereum tokens. So basically, it is a passive income for you while you sleep or not using the PC on full power or gaming. First of all, you will need an Ethereum wallet. You can use any Ethereum wallet you like. Either it's a cold wallet like Trezor, which is a hardware cryptocurrency wallet, or a digital wallet like Trust Wallet or Metamask. Also, you can set up your payouts directly to your favorite exchange, either it's Binance, Kraken, Coinbase, or any other exchange that accepts Ethereum deposits. Let me show you exactly how to get your wallet address on a digital wallet and on an exchange. Just simply go to the Metamask website. You will find the link also in the description. Just go ahead, click download now. Download for your either browser, or you can also install the same wallet for your mobile phone. Click install Metamask for Chrome. In my case it's Edge, but it doesn't even matter. We just add the extension. There we go. Metamask has been installed, and first of all what we need is to create a wallet. Let's go ahead and do this. You just agree to everything. Create your desired password and just click create. And that's pretty much it. Your wallet has been successfully created, but you will have to remember those secret words which are shown here. This secret recovery phrase is going to help you restore your account in case you lose it, or also set up an account on your mobile device, for example. We're just gonna skip that for now. And here we are in the Metamask wallet. As you can see, we are currently in the Ethereum mainnet network, which is pretty everything you need for Ethereum mining. This is basically the wallet you're gonna need to make the payouts. In order to get your wallet address, just click around here and it's copied to your clipboard. The second method I'm going to show you is how to get payouts on your desired exchange. I'm going to show an example of Binance. If you don't have an exchange account, down below you can find an affiliate link where you also get 10% off the fees, and where you can just simply create an Binance exchange account. So as soon as you have created an account or just signed in, just go ahead to your wallet, to a fiat and spot wallet. And here we just look up for Ethereum, click deposit, and choose the network. Very important, the network has to be ERC20, the Ethereum network, in order to get payouts from the mining pool. Here you can just also copy the address and you're good to go. One thing I would like to mention here is the benefit of Binance over Metamask. It is basically that you can directly trade Ethereum here, either to USD or Euro, and you can also pay out directly to your credit card or like bank transfer and stuff. With Metamask, you will have to additionally transfer them to an exchange to actually get payouts in fiat. For that, you will also pay extra transaction fees, which are kind of high. I will explain the transaction fee stuff a bit later. The second step is to install the mining software. I'll show you exactly how I've been doing this. So in general, there are a few different pools like Ethermine or NiceHash. I personally use 2miners.com, which in my opinion is very easy to operate with and doesn't need you to sign up in order to use it. So from here, you just go down there, choose Ethereum and simply click Quick Start. Here we land on a page where everything is explained on how to set up a miner. Depending on your graphics card, you will need to download a specific miner either for NVIDIA GPUs or AMD GPUs. Here I recommend using Gminer since I had no issues with it. So here we land on a also step-by-step guide by 2miners. We just go down there, choose the content where to download Gminer, click on it, click on the archive here. You will be redirected to the Google Drive, and here just simply click download and download anyway. As soon as you have downloaded it, just go ahead and open it. Here you will see 3 folders, AMD, Monero, and NVIDIA. We're just gonna skip in Monero here. And depending on your graphics card, NVIDIA or AMD, just extract the folder. The password to the archive is 2miners. So as soon as you open the extracted NVIDIA folder or AMD, you will see a lot of batch files here, which is also something new I see right now, is that they have added for 1080 only the mining software and for LHR. LHR stands for light hash rate. And here we are only interested in the Ethereum pool.batch file. Here we need to adjust 2 pieces of information. I've already done this. So you first of all have to paste your wallet address before the dot, and after the dot is the rig name. So as you remember, we have copied the wallet address from Binance or either Metamask. You can also use that. And yeah, we just paste it here, and we also can name our rig here. In this case, I'll just name it Luxor. Let's do like this. Just save, close, and as soon as you open it, you're good to go. Your PC will start mining. Here you can see the selected devices. If you have 2 or more GPUs, they will be listed here. And as you can see, our miner is working successfully. So we are currently already started mining Ethereum. Our speed right now is 63 megahashes, which is kind of low actually. The first GPU has to be a bit higher, but it's working. Yeah. The next step here is to set up a desired payout amount. You can do this on the 2miners website. When you go to the 2miners website, you just have to paste your wallet address up here. So here you can actually set up your payout value. The minimum is 0.005 Ethereum, the maximum is 10. And also to apply those settings, you will need your IP address, which you can look up on different websites. I will also leave one down below in the description. Only negative point here is that every payout costs you something. 2miners says it takes you maximum 8.2 bucks. And the fee actually depends on the current Ethereum gas price / Ethereum network load. And you can also look up it here, also link in the description. So on this website, you can actually monitor how expensive the gas price fees are. For example, for a slow transaction, it takes you 6 bucks. For the instant one, almost 10. Yeah, so much to it. One thing I would like to also show you is how to monitor your rig. Either it's online or offline. You will also get notifications there. When you go to the 2miners website, down here you can find a link to a Telegram bot, add to pool miners bot, and here you can actually set up your address and your rig, and you will get notifications when it's offline or online. So in order to add your rig, you just click add address, choose the pool. In our case, it's ethereum.2miners.com, and you just paste the address. Yeah, since I already added it, you can just look up in the statistics, choosing the ethereum2miners.com pool, and select add the following address. Here you can actually see your balance, your unpaid balance or unconfirmed balance, total paid, how much you got already paid out, and your statistics in last 24 hours, 7 days, or 30 days. So yeah, so much to it. Thank you for watching. I hope this guide was very helpful for you. And if you have any questions, just put comments down below. And yeah, also put some likes or dislikes if you didn't like the video. Also, don't forget to subscribe because a lot of videos are incoming. Thank you for watching again. Stay profitable and I wish you luck. Bye bye.